bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds so low on my body.
Hey guys, so now this is my apartment. This is our front door. And now that you're gonna see our little washer dryer area, closet, whatever you want to call it. And then this is our beautiful kitchen. Everything is completely renovated, everything new. Got that new, got that marble, got that granite, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it's called, but you know what it is. This is our pantry. Got a little bit of stuff in it. And then we're gonna go into my room. Couple more steps. Now this is my room. We're not done with the apartment at all, so my room's not completed either. But this is my room, my closet that we ain't gonna reveal just yet. It's not finished. And then we're gonna go into my bathroom. Candles are always lit. We stay lit over here. This is my bathroom. And this is like the little sink, my little caddy and stuff with my candles on it. And then this is our little dining room area. And this is our living room. We got a whole bunch of space that we need to fill up, so we will get to that. And then this is our balcony, our beautiful balcony. It's so nice. I love just to sit out and look around. You know, we downtown Hampton, so it's a little busy sometimes. You just saw my apartment. Now I'm gonna kind of give you a little story time because this apartment that we're in right now is not the apartment that we were going to get. So the apartment that we were going to get was like an apartment that was like 10-15 minutes away, more like 10 minutes away. Yeah, I would say like 10 minutes away, and it wasn't the size. We wasn't expecting none of this. Honestly, nothing was expected. We didn't know how the apartment looked. We didn't know, like, we kind of had an idea versus like, because some people from Hampton lives here, but we didn't know nothing. Our apartment's renovated, like just about everything. So we didn't know nothing about this apartment. It was really last minute. So in my video of like the apartment hunting with my bestie video, we actually I showed it. It was the last apartment on that video. We went there and it was basically everything we wanted. Like just the size, it wasn't too big, it wasn't too small, it was like perfect size for the two of us. It was just the rooms were just about the same in size. Like these rooms are completely different in size, like yeah. So we knew what we were expecting with that one, so we were excited for it. And then we went like, I think it was like April or March. It was earlier in the year, and we applied in July because it's like, well, we're getting an apartment for August, September. Why apply so early? They said like the prices would change at different times, and plus at the time that we applied, there was no apartments available because people move, like it's the military area. A lot of people move and leave at certain times in August and September. So we waited till July to apply, beginning of July, and it was good. We paid for everything. They was like, all right, we're gonna just send you the lease at a later date. Cool. Like there was no problem. At least we thought it was no problem. And then our apartment complex, like the people we were gonna the place that we were gonna live with, was bought by another company, so it was under new management. So when it got bought by the new people, they basically like lost all our records, everything that we did. I was literally calling all summer, like almost every day, kind of trying to sign the lease, because it's like, all right. And just to see the document at that point. Like we didn't need to sign it until closer to the end of August, but we needed to see what it's saying. So I was calling. Either they weren't answering or they were keeping me on hold or whatever like that they wanted to do wasn't like, nothing was making sense. Like I called one time about like how much it was. They're gonna go up in price. I'm like, all right, well, y'all said this. And just a lot going on, honestly. Too much going on. Cause too much. Like my roommate, when we moved in, my roommate was like, look, God really didn't want us there, because for me to be calling all summer and a week, literally, okay, let me continue. So it's calling. A week before we were supposed to move in, it was a Monday that they called and was like, I'm sorry, you are no longer able to move in on the day you're trying to move in, which was we're trying to move in the 1st of August. I mean, the 1st of September. We were trying to move in the 1st of September, the Monday before. They was like, I'm sorry, you can't move in. Whatever they told you before is no longer, like, we don't do it that way. So I just need you, like, we gotta do something different. So I was like, all right. I was so pissed off, like, livid. I was so pissed. I've been trying to call all summer, and you're like, oh, I'm sorry, you can't. I can't. I was approved and everything. Why I can't now? So my mom was like, all right, well, let's look at other places. So this was like one of the first ones, which was honestly our first pick. Like, this is honestly where we wanted to stay first. So this wasn't even on the video of apartment hunting, because at the time we were thinking, oh, it's too expensive, blah blah blah. And plus, when we were looking, there's gonna be 3 of us. It's only 2 of us. But yeah. So my mom was like, all right, well, let's call, see what they have available. Honestly, this was the only one available. It was renovated, and like, this was it. And she was like, all you gotta do is apply and you'll be good. You get your mom to co-sign and the apartment's yours. I said, it's that easy? Like, is that easy? It was not that easy with any other apartment that we applied to. It was not that easy for nothing. Like, I was just so like dumbfounded. Like, it can't be that easy. And next thing you know, it was that easy. Completely that easy. I'm like, all right, well, I guess we're moving in on Saturday now. No, it was Sunday. No, it was Saturday. So we moved in on August 30th. When this got like, I got a queen size bed. My queen size bed is still a little bit too big for the room, but it's okay. Like I said, we wasn't expecting none of this. So you see the little bit of furniture we got. Like, we wasn't expecting all of this space. We wasn't expecting none, like, living room area. We wasn't expecting none of it. Honestly, it was a godsend. Like, God sent this.
Hallelujah.
God was blocking that apartment all summer. He was like, nah. And my stubborn self, I'm like, come on now, let's just work it out. God was like, nah, don't do it. It's not for you. I have this for you. I was like, oh, okay. Alrighty then. But let me get on to something else. Let me tell you what they don't tell you when you get an apartment. Nobody tell you that these bills, first of all, are not all on the same day. Like, why is my electric due on the 22nd and my rent due on the 1st and my cable due on the 3rd? And no, I don't have time for that. How about you all put them on the same day? It don't work like that. Another thing they don't tell you, number 2, they don't tell you that you gotta go grocery shopping every week. You know how expensive that is? I didn't realize how much I ate until I got this apartment. Like, I'm like, all right, now, come on now, let's conserve. No, there is no conserving. You literally gotta go shopping every single week. Milk, you gotta go get every single week. Breakfast every single week. Like, Lord, who, why? Please tell me why. Child, why?
Why?
They don't tell you these things. And it's kind of annoying that nobody told me this, because it's expensive. I mean, be out here doing it, but it's expensive. It's expensive and I'm over it. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys subscribed. I hope you guys like, comment, ask any questions you would like. If there is any video ideas that you want me to do, I can do it. Yeah, I'm signing off. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.